cement, the backbone of modern construction. But how is it made?
The process begins with limestone and clay, mixed in specific proportions to achieve the right chemical balance.
These raw materials are crushed and ground into a fine powder called the raw mix.
The raw mix is fed into a rotary kiln and heated to around 1400 to 1500 degrees Celsius. At this high temperature,
The hot clinker is cooled and then finely ground. Around 5% gypsum is added to control the setting time. The final product is a fine gray powder quartz, cement. It's then packed and distributed worldwide.
From raw rocks to the foundation of modern civilization, Davey, this is how cement is made.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more engineering videos.